Hello everyone, I am Nikita. Today I am excited to present you Quinn AI, the open source powerhouse. I will be breaking down what this agentic AI can do, how it works under the hood, and taking you through a practical demonstration where we use it to build functional application completely from the scratch. Let's dive in. So let's start from the basic. What exactly is Quinn? Simply, Quinn is an advanced AI agentic built by Alibaba Cloud. It handles multiple step reasoning and coding, making it a direct rival to a paid models like ChatGPT. As of 2026, it offers maximum open source model like Quinn 3.6 alongside enterprise options like Quinn 3.7 Max. So, talking about the key technical features, there are two major technical breakthroughs that makes Quinn a massive powerhouse. First, it uses a mixture of expert architecture, that is MOE, coupled with hybrid thinking. Instead of running the entire massive model for every single simple question, it dynamically activates only the specific neutral pathways, making it fast and efficient. It can also switch between a fast mode for basic answers and deep thinking modes to solve complex logical reasoning and coding problems, solving step by step. Second, it boosts a massive 1 million token context window. This means you can drop an entire coding code box or a massive research document into the prompt all at once. Best of all, because it is open source, you can deploy it completely locally and offline on your own laptops. Now, talking about the real world applications. How is it can be used professionally? First, for the data science, automating data visualization and predictive modeling. Second, for the software, writing full stack code and debugging errors instantly. Third one is the web designing, building fully coded animated website just from the plain English descriptions. Fourth, for the business, using advanced vision models to extract data from financial charts and the PDFs. Now, after this, we'll be moving to the live demo session. Before that, we'll interact with how a Quinn interface looks like. So this is how a Quinn interface looks like. In the center, we have the traditional prompt box where we write the what we want to search in the simple English language. Here we have auto thinking and fast mode. And from here, we can change the model. We have some extra models in the expand mode models like the Quinn 3.6 Max, Quinn 3.627B, and other. On the left pane, we have options of new chat, search chat, and the library. Library here shows what images we have created till now and the videos, reports, web dev, podcast. These all things can be generated in a single AI tool. Now, moving to the new projects. Here we can create any projects like the investment, homework, writing, health, travel, and anything you want. Now here this is the history or the chat we have done with the Quinn till now. First, I have created a magic eraser, that is a photo editing tool. Like like here we I have given a simple English prompt. Make a web page like Magic Eraser where a user can upload a photo and use a brush tool to select an unwanted object, and the web app will use AI to remove it and fill the background seamlessly. The website should have a dark mode UI, be fully functional, and include a download image button. So this is the prompt which I have given and the things I wanted to be in my magic eraser which I am creating. So firstly here it had created a image how it would look like after creating, and this is the HTML code it created. See, we have given a simple prompt and it had created a whole HTML prompt for us. This is so long, it takes minutes, sometimes it takes a 5 to 10 minutes, but this was created within 5 minutes. Like this had 1194 lines, And this shows what feature it will have, like the brush, eraser, AI download, zoom, and the touch support for the tablets in the phone. And here this is showing the shortcut, like B for the brush, E for the eraser, slash for the resize brush, and so on. This is the uh, this is the steps how we can upload and erase. From here, I have copied the HTML code and pasted it in the VS Code. Here, I have pasted it, and then I'll simply run it. This, this, this is the page which will open. Here, we have an option of choose file. Like I can choose this file. These are the options: brush, eraser. We can also resize the brush size from here, and we have a erase object, reset, and we also have the download image. From here we have the zoom in and zoom out option. This is the first demo we have created. Now from here we can use the second image also and do the same. Now we'll move to the second demo. So the second demo is all about Nexus AI landing page. What exactly it is, I'll be telling you what exactly it is. Before that, what prompt I have given, let me tell you. Make a creative and eye-catching landing page for my data analytics and AI consulting firm named Nexus AI. Put smooth fade-in animation while scrolling the web page. Only use a modern luxury color palette, like I have given the color which I want in my Nexus AI landing page, and then include sections for our predictive analytics services on and a contact form. This is the image it had created. I can also create video from here. This I think it will create a 5-second video or something. Here this is the whole HTML code. Like if we are going to write it manually, it might takes too much time. Like it is a 546 line code. Then what it includes, this is design and palette, like what we have given it. Then the sections, it is divided in the sections, and the animation and this. Then what after this, what we'll do is simply copy or download it, and we'll open it in the VS Code and paste it. So this is the code. Then we'll simply run it. We have several options which we can search. Then the next demo which we are going to talk about is we will be simply making a neon game. Like I have given a prompt, make a fully payable snake game in a single HTML file using and this is the neon cyberpunk aesthetic with a dark background. These are the requirements which I have given, and this is created as HTML code as the previous ones also. As the previous one, this is a 351 line code, and these are the features like the control. We can control it using the keyboard key WASD, and the snake is of neon pink. And let me show you how it looks like. I'll simply copy the code and then paste it in the VS Code. This is the code which I have pasted, and after this I'll simply run it. This is the game which we have created. We can simply play it like our snake is of uh, cyberpunk, like what we have given in the prompt, and the fruit is of green. So we can play it, and this when we press the space bar, it reboots itself. So we have here we have seen three demos. First we have created Magic Eraser through Quinn AI, then the Nexus AI landing page, then the snake game. So we can also create many more things using this. This is I have shown a very little in the Quinn. We can explore many other things. Like I have created a very small things. You can create a very advanced thing from this. I have given the prompts in the very simple English language. So we end this session here. Thank you.